Day 64 of building the biggest fishing brand in the world. We started around 8 a.m., got dressed, ate breakfast, and posted the morning videos. After that, I packaged up a few orders and began scriptwriting a new video. Once that was done, I grabbed a quick snack and started working on the usual shorts. After a few hours of work, I grabbed some dinner and then made a few more shorts so I can double up on videos tomorrow. I called it a night around 11:15. Follow along as we build the biggest brand.